Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry, a little congested. Sorry about that. Yeah, so here it is, another unboxing of another knife company I've never owned before, and it is budget, like I promised. So this one's from Brous Blades. I've heard about them before. I've seen some of their higher end stuff in other videos, and it's always looked pretty impressive to me. But this is the low end stuff. So let's see what they got going on. One thing I know I'm not going to like right off the bat is it has polymer scales. And I hate polymer when it comes to knives, but I figured I'd give it a go. Why not? Roll the dice and see what's up. All right, so first feel, yeah, it feels cheap. Feels like polymer. Just regular old molded plastic Fisher Price freaking polymer. Um, Texture is there. It's got some good, maybe that's for ergos. I don't know. Yeah, but I'm not, I got to tell you guys, like I said, I'm going to be truthful. I don't like the scales at all, but pop it open. All right, let's do that again. See, reverse plate. Okay, not bad at all on that. Yeah, so okay, at least the action is pretty good. Not going to complain about that. It opens, it closes, good deal. Take a look at that blade. It's got a black stonewash on there, like a Tonto blade. Got some jimping up top. Not too aggressive, kind of smooth actually, but it does what it's intended to do. Yeah, got a good hand. That's actually the ergos for my hands, having the big old hands like I have, are, yeah, the ergos aren't bad. I'm not gonna lie. It feels okay in the hand. It just feels cheap. I mean, that plastic feel just sucks. I don't know why they don't go with G10. I mean, it's not that much of a difference in price point. I've seen cheaper knives with G10 or even better. Anyway, let's take a look right there. Got a little oil. I'm gonna wipe that off. I think that is a D10 divot there, or D10 hole. That's kind of weird to have it on the outside. I mean, I guess it helps keep it clean if you want to clean it out, but I've never really seen that. Interesting. Okay, let's close it up and do a little tour. Like I said, um, scales, they feel cheap. They look good, I mean, on camera, but when you feel it, it does feel cheap. Backspacer, same material, it looks like. No jimping on your flipper there, but not really needed. It opens pretty easy, so I'm not worried about that. It'd be nice to have some jimping there, but I don't know. Is that okay? Can you guys see that? Is that a lanyard hole? Because, or I mean, for ants or whatever, because that's tiny. You can't fit nothing through there. Huh. I don't know. You could probably use it for something, but not sure what that's all about. Flip it over. All my screws and stuff here are looking okay. Nothing bad there. It is okay. That's interesting. I bet you that's for you can switch it around for the clip. The clip, I guess. But yeah, it is reversible from what they say here. It looks like it is. The clip. Oh wow, springy. I mean, pick that up. Got my whole finger in there. It's barely even putting pressure. So wow, it's a very loose clip. On the positive, it is a deep carry for sure. All right. What else can I look at right quick? Okay, let's see if this thing's centered. And you know, kind of, sort of. I mean, it's kind of off, but not much. All right, let's compare it with something. What could we get it? All right, let's compare it with that guy I did the CCFFCC I did last week. Now this knife is way cheaper, and I can tell you guys dead honest, and I'm not, I'm not sponsored or whatever by CCFFCC here. I just really like their knife. The quality when you hold this and hold this is totally different. It's like night and day. This feels nice. I mean, everything about this feels nice, but this. One other gripe I got about it is, I think it's like 5 point. Let me check. Let me look some specs real quick. Like the blade's 3.625 inches. The total weight's going to be 5.17 ounces. So not a light knife, but all the weight is in the blade. It's nuts. There's like no weight in the handle, and some people might like that, but I mean, I like balance, and this thing just. I mean, I'm gonna be honest. To me, it's a hot turd, man. I am not cool with this knife so far. Looks wise, I mean, looks the tits, it looks nice, but I don't know. I'm gonna mess around with it, give it its due time. Even the liner lock, just everything feels cheap about this dang thing. It doesn't have me tempted to try their higher end stuff, but I probably will someday. But yeah, just to get over this initial it's like I don't know. Anyways, let's pop it open, put it down. So yeah, that's that. I'm not gonna say too much more about it. I'm gonna give it its dues and mess around with it a little bit, but initial impression, yeah, like I said, it's a hot turd, dude. Um, let me know in the comments if you guys have one of these, if how you like it, if you have one of the higher end ones, tell me what you think about it too, because I'd like to know. I love talking to you guys, anyways. Um, yeah, so if this if you found this useful, go ahead and hit that like button. Maybe give me a subscription if you feel like it. But yeah, so anyway, thank you guys for watching, and like always, thanks to all my veteran brothers and sisters, and especially the active duty guys. You guys really at this time be safe, man. Watch your six and look out for each other. Love you guys, and take care, everybody. Thanks for watching.